Hello everyone and welcome to some Dragon Ball Online. Um, I wish I had a party right now, but nah, it's just me. For now. Anyways, let's see what my goal was. Any missions around? For those who are interested and have a PC, this game is free to play. And as you can tell, you can create a character. Plus, it's a Dragon Ball Z, well, Dragon Ball MMORPG. I'll leave the link to the website in the description. Here's my in-game name. And I play in Channel 5. For those curious, you will have to go through the site and make an account before you can actually play. The game and the site use the same account. Okay, I guess there's no missions here in Kokara, whatever you want to call it. I am playing Diablo. Not really. I know that was a little cringe, but oh well. I know it's been forever since I recorded this game, but you know what? I recently got back into it, so this ain't even my main character. This is just for YouTube. Okay, so I think I was around here. Also, the game seemed rather empty when I was in the village. Like, I didn't see a single player. Okay, I guess there's nothing in there. That's where I was. I think. Hopefully I'm right here. Looks like the place I was last time. I mean, I can guess as much because I had left the game when I was here. Okay, but oh, that's a merchant. Okay, so oh well. I guess we'll just go around looking for stuff to do. For those curious, no, the fighting style did not change yet. Well, I don't know if it will change, but just click to fight plus skill. Is any I don't know what that is. Or that. Yeah, I don't know why they don't fucking show up anymore. I'll have to ask about it in the official Discord. Whoops, I forgot I took my counter off. got anything, do you? That's okay, I suppose. Herbs pack. You wanna come near me? I'll beat the crap out of you. For those wondering, this whole list here is emotes, basically. I'll take that Zinni. Be nice. Okay, so, yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. The message in the official Discord about the item things not showing their icons. So, be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'll just play until I get a message, and I'll pause again when that happens, if I'm not done recording by then. Yeah, that's fucking weird. Okay then. Oh yeah, okay then. Anyways, I was gonna say, sitting down in game helps you really faster. But I don't question how it works, it just works. Okay, I don't know why help showed up. But, oh wow. Inventory? Something about flying. Oh, okay. No flash. I already have you. Opening roar. Kidney shot. SP. Okay. Anyways. Appears I am level 6 now. Nice. Level 4? Yeah, I can deal with you. And if they ask for proof that it ain't working, I guess I'll just show them that I'll just send them a link to this video. Oh well, well, let's keep going, I guess. The heck? Word chaos words in the tank, although written all crooked, difficult to understand, but you can read the words. Look, Mrs. is seems to be in fornication. Red Pants Army and Red Pants Army Spy. Mrs. Issa is Red Pants Army Spy? go check it out. On our first quest of the day. Or of the video. 4. That's weird. Fucking they all just spawned in. Okay. Okay. That's gotta be Misty's. Yep. Why is there jiggle physics in this game? I have to villages more carefully. Also turn to probe Red Pants Army headquarters. It's really redneck turned even do not know. Really difficult. Okay, I guess the goal isn't to read it. It's just to go through it, huh? Oh yeah. Quest info. Okay. Good old Cyberman. Don't know what they're doing in Dragon Ball era. Okay, so who am I looking for? Oh, oh, there he is. How do you know my name? We just met. Okay. Yeah, sure. Hello, glad you woke up. You were warped into the time rift, and I brought you here. Now, you seem fine. It's a miracle. You came back. Okay, I'm not gonna read that shit. Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay, but seriously, where is everyone? I don't don't see a single player right now. Okay. That being said, I'm gonna switch to server 1, see if I can see anyone. I'll catch y'all in a moment. Okay, I am now in channel 1. Hey look, it's one player. Literally only player I see. Street dog. What the heck is man wearing? What level are Fatal Fury, huh? What level are you? I'm sorry, what game? Level 70? What are you doing here? This is the starting area. Oh well. Not something to worry about. Okay, anyways, since that was apparently the only person I saw, I suppose I'm gonna return to channel 5. So once again, catch y'all in a second. Okay, I'm back now. Anyways, as we were doing, okay, we're headed back there again. What do you mean, please remember to take breaks? I just got on. So, really only spoilers I can give on the story of this game is, the humans here, they've all got Saiyan genes. Like, if I get high enough level, or whatever, I can go Super Saiyan. I haven't unlocked that on either of my saves yet, but on my main one, I am getting pretty close. At least I hope I am. Oh, that's where you are. Mr. Guy. Okay, so I get both of those. Okay, nice. Okay, we have one more in Kara. Hold on, I got a message. Be right back. Okay, I have muted everything that isn't important right this second. Which, honestly, is my servers and the Dragon Ball Online support. Wee! That's a wee! Okay, I have yet to unlock that. Kirby. So we're looking for a guy named Kirby. Okay. Noted. Alright, where are you at? Where is you, Kirby? Oh, there he is, Kirby. Pet merchant. Oh, you as a kid. Nice, nice. A reliable partner. Okay. Shut up, Sawyer. Okay, 10,000, I don't have enough for that. So, being here right now is useless. Okay, guess we're going over to the beach. Ooh, maybe they freaking responded. Someone responded. I'll be right back. Yet again. Okay, so apparently the person that had before me in the freaking support had asked the same question. Options. Game. Info. Yep. Why is this off? My aggro, my name. My name? Oh, that's all names. Combat info. Nah. Let's keep it like that. Oh yeah, hopefully that is the fix. Kind of weird that wasn't like that though. I mean, I did tell you to hide. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and make my way over to the beach. When I get there, I suppose I'll show y'all my main character for a few seconds. Might also be spoilers on location stuff, unless I teleport them back to Kakara. Because on that account, or not account, but save, I'm roughly I want to say around here. But I will say this game's equivalent of Corin Village. I mean, it is Corin Village, but yeah. It's not the same Corin Village, if that makes sense. Fuck you. As a Dragon Ball Z character, I should be able to make that. Imagine if I could go first person in this game. So yeah, it is that general direction. Big demon squirrel. Dragon Fist, even though it ain't Dragon Fist. Man, oh well. So I'm still... Oh, I'm fighting with stuff that is literally my level. Zinni, aka the money. Let's heal real quick. Cool, cool. Now let's fight this one. Nice. For those wondering what that is, it's a sapphire. Freaking aggressive. Ooh, Zinni. Okay, how much Zinni I got? 2,000. Okay, nice. Almost 2,300. So you guys are the truly aggressive ones. Okay. More Zinni. Got a sapphire. Hey, there's people over there too. Yes, you can also click to move if you want to do one-handed. As per usual, reading squad can frickin' pause and read if they really wanted. You're right, you're right. Except... big demon squirrels, huh? Do I got any now? No, why would I? I don't have any for... What? Oh, they're right here. Uncle Ty and Dragon Ball. Personally, yes. Character-wise, no. Near Popped Village. What kind of squirrels are they? Yep. Mighty Demon Squirrel. The 1-star ball, huh? Sure, sure. What's your other quest? Any useless stuff? Let me guess. You just want me to sell you stuff? Okay. I was talking about that, guys. Cannot go over 999,999s anyhow. Okay, the funny thing is I've never done that quest line as my other guy. La la la. Oh, hello. Probably used the wrong voice for that, but okay. Hey, you have two as well. All veggies, huh? Let me yep, thought so. Sure. Oh yeah, you have two. What's your milk, huh? All of Yahweh West, huh? Steam Mound, huh? Sure. Actually, how would you know where he is? You haven't seen him in a while. Like a kid. Sensitive skincare, huh? Wild mushrooms, huh? Sorry, I got another application. I know you guys hear all of those fucking key presses. It's not like I know of a way to suppress it on this thing, the mic. TN wannabe. Okay, so you want me to form a party, right? Okay, so something I'm gonna have to do when I manage to get my friends on the game, huh? Yeah, fair. I'll go ahead and accept you, but it's gonna be a while before I can do that one. Okay, you. Oh, you got a little hover bike. Like. Jack, huh? Hobo troop. Remember Jack, huh? Sharks can. Okay, so I'm going down to the beach. Okay, so this is Popped Grease Village. No, this is the beach. I mean, okay, I guess that makes sense. Sure. And you give me a purple candy, huh? Sure, why not? But I'm not doing it for the candy, I'm doing it for the XP. Okay, let's do you first. Yippee. Nice. Okay, so I got 2 more of those left. Nice. Let's heal a little. Now let's go kick your butt. And then we'll one down here. Zinny. Seal coin. Okay, now we gotta go deal with Mighty over here. And we already found our second one to kick the face in. I guess I'll just let my character casually beat the crap out of this one. There's wild veggies here. Nice, you got anything for me? Okay, so the demons, the squirrels are done. Okay. One veggie. Okay, guess I'm kicking your butt because you're right next to it. 2 of you. Any? 2 wild veggies. Okay, where's number 3? Right there. Okay, now I go get milk. Let's heal first. Let's go. Okay, so both of these are here, yes. Wait, what's the other one? Milkman, I know that. What's the other one? I don't know, man. Hey, boo-boo. Little pig person sending mail to others. Sure. Don't know what I did. Or rather, what I sent. But sure. Hey, man. Let me guess, you're gonna... Yeah, I thought so. Checking cultivator's top. Sure, it's better than what I got anyway. So now I just gotta get there without it breaking, right? Don't worry, my goal is to just avoid the mighty ones, 'cause they tend to be attackers. That's my Popo teleporter is almost done. Big demon squirrel, big demon squirrel. Hey man, how you doing there? That's some big bamboo. Then again, it's Dragon Ball. What would you expect? Everything's bigger in the Dragon Ball verse. Even the battles. They literally take episodes just to power up even. Hey you. Here's your milk. Thank you. Okay. I don't have anything that matches that yet. What is this? Oh, it's for the Namekians. I got this. What did I just say? No. Oh. Oh. I got one. Okay. And I have you, yeah? Yeah, I have you. What's this? Power up? I don't know, man. Wrong one. I can start it. Okay, how do I get that out of the way? Oh, that's what that is. Okay, be right back, because this fucker is literally not going away, and the only thing I can think of is reloading the save. So, yeah, be right back. Okay, I'm back. It appears it worked. Wait, I need that. What's this? Helium fuel? Yeah, 2 sapphire. Oh yeah. Weapon upgrade kit. Detoxification capsule. General experience boost for 2 hours. It will help you gain more experience while killing mobs. Nice, nice. Waga coin, Waga machine. Fly scroll. Okay, well. A U. Sure. Oh, yeah, you wanted mushrooms as well. Sure. Wait, is that everyone I did? Oh yeah, you as well. Sorry, man. I got my first Dragon Ball. Whoop whoop. Raju, huh? Okay. mushrooms, skincare, policeman salts. Let me guess. Yep, Raju is a Yahweh fortress. What you want, Mr. Haley? Big demons? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Sword, knock that off. I don't want you knocking my bedding off again. Don't sass me. Don't sass me. You're gonna lay there or get off. Huh, he actually listened. Freaking sitting there rolling on the couch, which is my bed. And I have everything tucked in so it don't fall off it. Yeah, his freaking rolling fucking untucks it, causing everything to fall on the ground. How long have I been recording? Okay, I guess we're ending the video with a beach day, huh? Or rather, today's video is a beach day. Oh, hey, guys. Failed in. I mean, according to the canon lore, you guys have been around since the beginning. That's a little public indecency, you know? Sure, I'll kick the fucking scaled Cyberman. It is summer. Cowardangas. Or Kawangas. Sure. Meat dumpling and energy drink. Okay, well, instead of doing these quests today, fuck. Let's have a beach day. We're going swimming! What shoes are you wearing? Alright. Okay, so Jack's drawing drama. Oh, so it's more where the freaking character is facing than where the camera's facing. Well, that's neat, I guess. Okay, so bikini storage box. Look. Scaled beam Cyberman. Gotta defeat 4 of those. I'm not gonna deal with you. Because it's red pants army over there. not in battle anymore. Mystery item, sure. Energy drink, sure. Not at all what I thought they did. But oh well. This one makes 3. And this one makes 4. Okay, well. Are you enemy? Yeah, you're enemy. Okay, so Zinni and okay, you can have your fucking water now. Oh, it's a little suggestive on the text. What's gonna mean to look at that? Okay, well, let's just head back to the village. You know what I forgot to do? Set my stone thing. Flower monkey. Meh. New skills. Level 8 already. Okay, what can I do? No Kamehameha yet. Rock, paper, scissors. Or speed up. I think speed up. Okay, now if only I had one more. I mean, yeah, it takes one. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and activate this. Oh yeah. Before I end today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my main character. So, catch y'all in a split second. Okay, I'm back. Y'all ready to see my character? Meet Hirozaki. He's definitely a Saiyan. And also welcome to Corn Village. World Martial Arts Tournament area over there. It don't work half the time. Though I wouldn't truly know that. I have yet to actually try it. But you get what I mean. Let's see. Anyone in Kokora Village or Corn Village today? Like the original group that plays here? Hello? Anybody? One person. Tao. Oh yeah, I forgot I took my kit. This is my general look normally. Level fucking 70. Yeah, makes sense. But seriously, where is everyone? This place has been dead since I've returned. Normally there's a lot of people here duking it out. Oh well, thank you all for joining in. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next one. Ciao for now.